Hi again, everybody. We are back and we're going to be doing some more Minecraft stuff today. I got a big order, so now I'm sharing it with you. And I'm going to show you real fast how to make a blaze. He's not that hard. He's pretty basic, actually. So this is going to be a quick video. I start out with yellow and orange and gold that I kind of mixed and marbled together. Cut it into a nice square, and that's going to be the shape of our blaze. I take the same stuff, roll it out a little thin, and I'm going to cut long rectangles out of it. And I'll just put them to the side. Those are going to be like little fire things. On the stick, you can see I added some black. I need something to attach the little fire pieces to, so it's going to end up being the black. And there's black smoke that comes out, so we're calling it good. And again, you can see he's kind of posted onto that lollipop stick. You're going to want to leave the stick long, though, because he kind of hovers, so you'll see later on, though. I cut out 8 of the little rectangles. They're all about the same size. I put 2 around each side of his body. Staggering them at different heights, and leave one side with the yellow part exposed a little bit because that's where we're going to add the eyes. The eyes are super easy. 2 little black squares and 2 yellow squares. Don't get any of the marbled in. Keep them pure yellow. It helps them stand out a little better. Put them on the same size. The black goes on the inside. The yellow goes on the outside. Everything is being connected, I forgot to say this already, with a little bit of water on a paintbrush that you saw me using earlier. And just make sure your eyes are all lined up the same size, and that's it. He is easy, he's cute, and he's done. So if you like what you saw, subscribe, click like, and check me out for more Minecraft stuff. Thanks!